welcome to Jason versus the Moon. I'm just gonna show you a cool video I got today, September 15th, and it was probably around, I don't know, it was probably around 12 or 1 o'clock this afternoon. What I did is I downloaded an airplane tracker app, and I manually watched my area, figured the direction a plane was coming and where I would be able to see it. This one in particular, I saw they would be coming to my east. I went ahead and flipped the telescope over to the east, and yeah, I tracked a plane during the day, so it was cool because I've shown planes at night. So yeah, just want to do a short intro on that. You're gonna see I get the plane for I think over a minute for sure, um, and uh, and yeah, man. So just check this out. Thanks for watching. September 15, 2019. I'm gonna try to track this plane. I did not have a lot of room. It's gonna be a second before it comes, man. I got a real short time frame to get this thing in. Okay, so just stick with me. It's gonna be a second. Not too long. Not too long. Not too long. Oh no! Got it, still got it. Alright, I lost it. But hey, we did it, we did it, we did it. I don't know what it looks like yet, but I tracked a plane in the daytime, and I've used it doing the app and just faced the right direction in the sky. That was fucking cool, man. Alright.